Lighting upcycling begins with a quiet shift in perception, a moment where an object once dismissed as useless is seen not for what it was, but for what it could illuminate next. In the world of bespoke lamps and fixtures, discarded objects carry an untapped narrative power that modern lighting often lacks, and transforming them into functional sources of light becomes an act of design, storytelling, and sustainable craftsmanship all at once. When forgotten items like dented vintage kitchenware, weathered industrial components, or silent old musical instruments are lifted from obscurity, they arrive already rich with texture, form, and memory, offering a depth that newly manufactured materials struggle to replicate. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The process begins not with rigid plans but with observation, studying the curves of a copper pot, the rhythm of holes in a factory gear, or the elegant lines of a trumpet's bell, and imagining how light might travel through, around, or against those forms. In this way, lighting upcycling is less about forcing an object to become a lamp and more about revealing the lamp that has been quietly waiting inside it. A colander once used for draining pasta suddenly becomes a constellation of light when perforation scatter warm glows across a wall, while a rusted pipe elbow, cleaned and stabilized, transforms into a sculptural arm that feels intentional rather than improvised. Each piece demands respect for its original function while gently liberating it from that past, allowing the object's history to remain visible even as its purpose changes. This balance is what elevates upcycled lighting from novelty to bespoke design, making each fixture feel deliberate, curated, and worthy of modern interiors. As the maker works, technical considerations merge seamlessly with creative intuition, because lighting must not only look compelling, but function safely and reliably. Electrical components are integrated discreetly, wires are hidden or intentionally exposed to complement industrial aesthetics, and heat management is thoughtfully addressed so that materials never feel compromised by their new role. The transformation is slow and attentive, involving cleaning away decades of grime without erasing patina, reinforcing weak points without masking age, and choosing light temperatures that enhance rather than overpower the object's character. Warm bulbs often soften harsh industrial edges, while focus beams can dramatize textures, turning dents, scratches, and weld marks into visual highlights instead of flaws. Old musical instruments are particularly evocative in this process, as their hollow bodies are naturally designed to shape sound and now shape light instead, allowing illumination to spill gently through valves, strings, or sound holes, creating an atmosphere that feels intimate and poetic. When such a lamp hangs in a room, it doesn't simply brighten a space, it invites conversation, curiosity, and emotional connection, reminding viewers that beauty can emerge from what was once forgotten. The modern home, increasingly drawn to authenticity and individuality, becomes the perfect stage for these pieces, as homeowners seek objects that feel personal rather than mass-produced. Bespoke upcycled lighting answers this desire by offering fixtures that cannot be replicated exactly. Each one bearing the fingerprints of its past life and the hands that transformed it. This uniqueness gives such pieces strong market appeal, as buyers recognize that they are not just purchasing illumination, but acquiring a functional artwork with a story embedded in its form. In this sense, lighting upcycling aligns seamlessly with contemporary design values that favor sustainability, emotional resonance, and craftsmanship over excess. The discarded objects used in these creations are not chosen randomly, but thoughtfully sourced, often rescued from flea markets, scrapyards, attics, or workshops where they might otherwise deteriorate beyond use. Each find brings with it constraints that spark creativity, as the maker adapts design choices to the object rather than forcing the object to conform to a preconceived idea. This adaptive process results in lighting that feels organic and honest, shaped by material reality rather than abstract trends. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Over time, a consistent design language can emerge, where certain materials or forms become recognizable signatures, helping these creations transition from experimental projects into cohesive collections suitable for galleries, boutiques, or online marketplaces. As the lighting fixtures come together, finishing touches play a crucial role in defining their final identity, whether through subtle polishing that enhances metal tones, matte coatings that preserve rawness, or the careful pairing of wood, metal, and glass to create visual harmony. The glow itself becomes part of the design, interacting with the surrounding environment to cast shadows, reflections, and warmth that transform rooms into layered, atmospheric spaces. This is where upcycled lighting truly redefines modern home aesthetics, proving that innovation does not require new materials, but new ways of seeing existing ones. A chandelier assembled from reclaimed industrial parts can feel as refined as any designer piece when proportion, balance, and light distribution are thoughtfully considered. While a table lamp made from an old kettle or camera tripod can feel playful yet sophisticated when executed with restraint, the sustainability aspect of lighting upcycling further strengthens its relevance, as each fixture represents material diverted from waste streams and energy saved from new production, aligning with a growing cultural emphasis on responsible living. Yet the appeal extends beyond environmental benefits, because the emotional satisfaction of owning or creating such a piece resonates deeply, offering a sense of participation in a cycle of renewal rather than consumption. For makers, crafting bespoke lighting from unexpected objects becomes a practice of patience and problem-solving, where challenges are not obstacles, but opportunities to innovate. And mistakes often lead to unexpected design breakthroughs. For buyers, these lamps and fixtures become focal points that anchor a room's identity, making spaces feel curated rather than decorated. Ultimately, lighting upcycling demonstrates that illumination is not merely about visibility, but about atmosphere, memory, and intention, showing how forgotten objects can be reborn as luminous expressions of creativity and care. In transforming discarded materials into striking, sellable lighting, this craft proves that the future of modern design can be both forward-thinking and deeply rooted in the past, glowing softly with stories that refuse to be thrown away. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.